미사티니 바타체시나 생각 남았니가 position.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I also rise to have to
strongly oppose,
Michael post kainga.
strongly oppose the implementation of the uniform civil code in the state.
Mani gaman.
At least being the Christian state, we should restrict Sunday even on taking the pictures for the wages.
Ulsatai akan tikun ya chancheni abauna rumchaksua ya chancheni abau wanseng pangnan zatni issues dokni sungni tentang getal bagacham chanchina nanganirang kwanseng raba emang golpo karunga uniform civil code ko pa Saleng ni assemblyo mani gumen jegalani ko namneki jani ko aganenga uko wanseng nyangs kana na simangya channel na skang bare bagin chimo ode na simang mola ka sampai ko like kabo semang subscribe kabo or share kabo sino mola mana ya chancheni abaw wanseng ya channel lo dengtang anjing jatni issues rang ni gumen dokni nangani rang ni gumen song ni gumen anjing chancheni ko dakronga delako de antini plak chancheni랑 바 sorkaring sokna겠다 sorkaring chancheni랑 바 안칭오나 sokna겠다 ia chancheni ko anjing rae asong arujatna namguni kra bana kata ia kamko anjing takenga unigumun ia kam ka anio ya da kam ka ani da kanirango na simangba parpa na simangan ya nuktang isani ong chancheni abani unimun ka asapan asimang share ka na kata gwalna be ya ko subscribe kana gwalna be or like kana gwalna be anchung ma share pengrang uniform civil code ko panga mandrang panga NGOs rang jigala al da alo budget session zo tang ML rang Meghalaya dokni ML rang jigala ni ko dakinga anchung naknamana opposition sana wai da treasury bench chori kang ba uni guman ya uniform civil code ko panga mandrang tang dakki akan ge chuba anchung pa Saleng e sangmani agana ni ko niang skana Saleng e Sangma ni bidingo angamana yako rabainga noba Saleng e Sangma Meghalaya dokuni saksa changbri jol mat gaba MLA onga tang partio tang somarongo banganek nekang baksa wa ya MLA ko mat gapok ani bidingo or bini chanchen rang ko anchen namat nenga bini maturity ko anchen namat nenga on aga tale MLA rang na bate anga ya Saleng e Sangmani kata agana nirangko anga rabana namnakinga anga bini news rango media rango aro jobbing video rango adita agana nirangko nakianga adita press ko mana kasi silmo bini maturity ko biya sa panel discussion so biya agani ngacham bini maturity ko anga nakauno bini diplomatic ko ani kunka bini tactical ani kunka or kepenjat silmo nginchung oba atsrani genso bangan gemukan ibagin chungwa saksa chma mok nge bia wano ka dongben kadeng smute agana ka dong pamande wa uni mona anga bini chanchiane ko bini agana ne ko chanchirum phana ta alo ye video ko rabainga na simang sauba bini job shini bidingo discussion panel ko nina ke chumule T7 YouTube channel na yangbo T7 on nasun ken dengtang job reservation policy ni mun bia adita jas khang bia agana yo kan naknak tamon ken na simang ia video jian job reservation panel ni discussions ka chum ukon asimang achi analyze ka ko nang negen chum odin asimang ka sabai comment ka tabu ukon asimang na thari na tamon ken ya ko dan sing kumukan yani video ni barang na managata ni banga gacham wani mun ko ang takat na sajahan di ba na simang nang negen chum nang ko dakat tamon ken
We don't know what are the contents that has laid in the UCC till that.
Dalo anjing pa Saleng ni agana ni anjing naknamat nenga ye dok point rang ko biya kanenga skang ba point rang jo doubtful ngani ja ni hosako uniform civil code ni sigen sumo oba ning au mai ko singen ko darang ba masikuja umun wi gijara sakna na men jajinga ni onga yan skang ga pongnya
But my fear is that, Mr. Speaker, sir, passionately realism and passionately compromises without which idealism is impossible. what I have learned in my political career, Mr. Speaker, sir, is that we can argue passionately for the modernizations, passionately for the realism that compromise without which the idealism is impossible.
Ini pa modernization, realization, idealism no ka gani bung. Tentang macam beber ani culture traditions ko compromise kan ane mat jawa ng bako biya kane.
It is not just to express the differences, but in a dangerous sense. They intensify indifference by converting them to take their own, you never know, the religion or own system. Therefore, there might be a nastiness in the politics, Mr. Speaker, sir. The moderations that they are compromising, they are trying to compromise, ultimately in realism, we might not try to get as much as what we fear.
Example, UCC nam na bodonga ande ba ya UCC ba uniform civil code color ka gin chung ong ode sani ba thorom ko tak bata chi mana majority renang jan jat pang bata thorom bang bata warang kusra batkin oni man sonson gopar ne yano gumani sanspa donga ya.
Nowadays, I am seeing, especially even in the MGNSC sector, we are a Christian state, Mr. Speaker. We are a Christian state. But yet, on the day of our holiday, Sunday, the MGNSS was supposed to be only 30 days of men days. 100 days of men days, which was supposed to be covered. But without Sunday, we could have covered. But now itself, the central government is pressing us that even on Sunday also, you have to take the photo and then give it. Now itself, they are suppressing. That day, also, Mr. Speaker, sir, in our CPA meeting, which was held on Sunday, because of Sunday, I didn't come. It doesn't mean that I don't want to come. But since it was held on Sunday, I do not want to compromise, not because I'm a holy, but at least I have to respect the sentiments and the emotions of the Christian. Now itself, they are trying to press us. Everything, it seems like they are trying to do it on Sunday, holiday. One of the saddest part is that even on Christmas, they started taking a picture for the wages.
Bigo pa obia tang points rong ko agani mong bia mi sek chang put na Sunday aro Christmas rong program wa tani rangan mung sa drink so ni ngya mana da oba UCC dong jagin chung oba job card takaba kham rangon Christmas aro rival rango photo ka ani ko kham kha ani ko didi ani ko nakna manenga ni wa jana tapaha.
So I would like to impress upon our government, at least being the Christian state, we should restrict Sunday even on taking the pictures for the wages. We can cover 100 mandates because we have got 365 days. Not necessarily that you have to take a picture on Sunday. So these are the areas that I'm scared, Mr. Speaker, sir. By chance, if they pass, what will happen to us? Such civility, this is the only civility where the important issues can be discussed. I lazily assume, despite the superficial differences between the ruling and the opposition, but reflecting upon issues, it's too prejudiced. In reality, using the rules and the framer of the constitutions, being the legislator, I would like to speak held upon the government right now. We should not remain exciting about any kind of act or any kind of issues that is being passed by the center. We should check and balance. We should not be cowardly incompetent enough, which will profoundly diminish us, our sectarian.
Bunga ko po biya unimun sa kanya Meghalaya adok ni सरकारी era Meghalaya adok te Christian adok ani gaman majority Christian ani gaman ya uniform civil code ko chingan rachak na manjonga angpa kata ko usko kurang achina gata Meghalaya सरकारी ko wa demand ka jolenga.
I would like to request that we should send a clear message that the Meghalaya, being the Christian state, we should not be succumbing to any kind of rule of law that they will be passing every now and then. We are a diverse country. We should respect each and everybody and each and every tribe, each and every community, each and every religion. With this few.
Do kapau bini agana niyo pasaling agana niyo uniformity ko de India dra bana man jawa unity ko ra bana man gen mane uniformity or abagen chimode gemuk ni jat gemuk ni thorom gemuk ni taka bewal gemuk kan apsan gen apsana nangen no jekai muslim rang ni thalak system muslim ni jikra ni Christian ni rohi balo olakia ni achak jat ni demi chiko nuknar ani ko ragale nako de defante ko tonskan nang nabo dong achak jat ni dak bewalo defante na gamon giza demi chino nani ko waba mungsa nakat batai gitu bang ramification rang donga ane wajana pa perpengang beber ana simang da alo adita pasaleng sangmani agana niyo adita UCC ni bidingo simang masya hingeno bini agana niyo ansin kang nam ana tang tang obostan ni bidingo tang tang asir ni guman ya ko mela doko Meghalaya sokra ra chak chode tanggen sim ngubakwa da beni takaham ya ko na metal bate ni na scan chip mode asong Meghalaya assembly channel nei ang nibo tang matsa pasaleng e sangmani akan kapako na song mo ne na me ni nam kata matgen Daga ya video ko na simang bo nini hanin na simang sa kanti ko mutela da ona kung asimang no kugen chimode kas fa like kan gwal na be subscribe kan gwal na be or share kan gwal pa na be ansini jat ko anseng saksa ko ban ko wigr kat na masir kat na angni wigi jani ko nang chi nang ni wigi jani ko ang chi takemang masir na ha ansing jo thon kha na simang mai da ken ka ye video ko ka sa fa ka mau comment kat ko sina song mo mola sang bono video ko ku jana kung sa kanti kon mutela 아직 자 탕방 지나